Your favorite AI models are better in Kittl. Whether it's Nano Banana Pro, Flux 2, Seed Dream 4.5, or any other model that's about to come out, you can get a lot more out of them with these 5 Kittl features. Firstly, we have over 300 AI styles for you to choose from, making sure that you get the right look and feel for what you're trying to generate. Maybe that's images, product shots, diagrams, typography, or even multicolor vector logos. And we've already pre-selected the model that works best with the AI style, so you don't have to guess or waste time generating a whole bunch of images to get it right. Simply select the style and the model will be pre-selected too, so you're ready to just prompt and roll. Secondly, Kittl's Remix tool can enhance, modify, combine, or change the position or angle of any of your images with a simple prompt. Whether you need lots of different product shot angles, or to combine multiple images together, or maybe you just need to edit the text on a poster or change a jacket color. Next is Kittl Flows, which uses smartboards to connect different boards together to your initial design or image. This allows you to build out entire brand boards, photo shoots, illustration packs, or an entire ad campaign that you can easily go back and change at any time. And you can still choose between all of the top AI models when you are generating these smartboards. Now you can also generate multiple images with any of the models and aspect ratios you choose, which may not come as a surprise, but you can also do this with Kittl's Remix tool and Kittl Flows. For example, you could have all of your prompts ready to go and simply select all of your boards and generate them all at once to save you loads of time. And lastly, we all know how annoying it is when you can't remember or can't find that prompt you used to make an amazing image. Well, we have this prompt memory feature where if you click on any image in the top right corner of Kittl, you're going to actually see that prompt, and if you hit the recreate button, it's going to pop that prompt back into the board, and it will even select the style that was used to create that image. And it works for more than just your generations. Any flows template or library image that you use, if you select it, it will show you that prompt as well. So yeah, those are just a few reasons that AI is better in Kittl and the reason that you should give it a try right now. So let me know in the comments which of these features is your favorite or which one you are going to try out right now. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any updates just like this. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.